Okay, so I am getting notifications at this time. Hold on. Okay, hopefully this works. Let me know how it sounds. I am messing with it again. I feel like it's like in and out for some reason. Let me check. Do you guys know if the gain is supposed to be up, or is it supposed to be like all the way to the like highest one? I don't know. But I have, you see how it's like going in and out? I feel like I'm whispering, but it's like in and out for some reason. Anyways, I have this Universal Yums box, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Let's try these snacks. Let's try. Okay. All the goodies. Oh, this one is Welcome to Australia. So I'll show you guys. That's so cool. Okay, and then we have the little pamphlet that tells you all the goodies that's in here. So we'll take a look at that. But the first thing I see is some chips, and I've been craving something like some chips like this. So hopefully this one's good. This is a pea snap paprika flavor. Let's open it. It smells good. They look like little wafers. Those are so good. I really like that. It's a pea bread based bread crisp with paprika seasoning. That is so good. One more. It also comes with some stickers. Okay, next thing is this big banana chocolate covered banana filling bar. So let's try it. It looks like a banana. Oh, it's soft too. It's pretty good. Chocolate's good. Tastes like banana flavor, like that fake banana, but it's banana. It tastes was like your kind of like candy type of banana flavoring, but it's very like fluffy kind of. What is this? Poppy caramel. So actually really good. I like it better than the banana. It looks like everything in here is like mostly sweet stuff. Next one is this wafer, like cookie thing. I think it's like cocoa in the inside. Let's see. Oh, they're pretty big. Oh, I guess they're not. Okay. So it's like a chocolate cream filling in the inside and wafer on the outside. That is so good. It's sweet, but it's good. Okay, I think they like a lot of wafers. The next one is another one. Cheesecake flavor. Excuse my nails, I need to go do them. Let's try it. Okay, these look like the ones I usually get. My Spanish ones. It's good. I'm just trying to see if it tastes like cheesecake. I feel like it tastes more like vanilla. Let me see. That is pretty good. I don't think it tastes like cheesecake. I mean, there might be a hint, but it's like a lemon vanilla flavor to me. It's good. I like it. So far, my favorite is the pea one, then the caramel, then the chocolate wafer, the cheesecake wafer, and the banana is last. So that was so good. I think I'm gonna try it again next month. And yeah. Okay guys, so I think that's it for the video. I know it's a little bit short this time. I need some water, and I'm thinking of doing like a ramble one next time. I don't know. What do you guys want to hear? Let me know.